Most of you guys know about this vegetable, but you really don't know its benefits for skin, so, here I am today telling you skin benefits of red bell pepper. You guys might be wonder by knowing this difference, so, let's start our today's video in which I will tell you skin benefits of red bell pepper. Vitamin C, which is also known as ascorbic acid and L-ascorbic acid, is a vitamin that isn't actually produced by the body. Instead, the only way to get it is through supplements or your diet. Citrus fruits like oranges are famously rich in vitamin C, but red bell pepper contains almost 3 times higher amount of vitamin C as compared to oranges. And it has vital functions throughout the body. Oranges are among the world's most popular fruits. Oranges are primarily made up of carbs and water. They're also a good source of fiber, which may support digestive health. A number of vitamins and minerals are found in oranges, including vitamin C, thiamine, folate, and potassium. Wait, I know we are talking about red bell pepper. Bell pepper, called sweet peppers or capsicums, bell peppers can be eaten either raw or cooked. Like their close relatives, chili peppers, bell peppers are sometimes dried and powdered. Bell peppers are very high in vitamin C, with a single one providing up to 169% of the RDI. Other vitamins and minerals in bell peppers include vitamin K1, vitamin E, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. They are low in calories and exceptionally rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Bell peppers come in various colors, such as red, yellow, orange, and green, which are unripe. Green, unripe peppers have a slightly bitter flavor and are not as sweet as fully ripe ones. Vitamin C in bell pepper promotes collagen production, which has the potential to thicken the dermis, diminish fine lines, and is essential for firm, youthful skin. On top of that, vitamin C is an antioxidant, meaning it protects skin cells from damaging free radicals caused by UV exposure. It also inhibits melanin production in the skin, which helps to lighten hyperpigmentation and brown spots, even out skin tone, and enhance skin radiance. Finally, vitamin C helps to repair damage from sun exposure and collagen loss by encouraging healthy cell turnover and regeneration, and red bell pepper is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. Red bell peppers contain twice the amount of vitamin C than their other varieties, which makes them extremely beneficial for your skin. Red bell peppers are great sources of cancer-fighting carotenoids. Apart from being excellent for skin, these carotenoids help in reducing swelling caused by arthritis because of their high silicon content. Red bell pepper juice is also known for its healing qualities. Red peppers are also a great source of vitamin A, which promotes eye health. It helps in prevent wrinkles and increase blood circulation to your skin, helping it look more youthful. Due to their carotenoids, red bell peppers are also great to fight acne. A red bell pepper is a perfect, low-calorie snack that contains about 30 calories and has a really satisfying crunchy bite. Keep slices of red bell peppers in the fridge, so you will always have something healthy and tasty to reach for when you are having a snack attack. The fiber that a bell pepper contains will help you to feel full longer with very little calories. Plus, you will have a flawless skin. I hope that you will like this video. Give this video big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.